Hi Cascade, this is Mr. Bennett. I'm here today to walk you through the registration process for the next school year. As you begin to plan for next year, it's important that you engage in an understanding of the options that are out there to make you college, career, and life ready.
Start with your course catalog. It has information about all of the courses offered, as well as college, sports, and beyond.
Please note that current junior students will need 22 credits to graduate. Current 8th grade, freshman, and sophomore students will need 24 credits to graduate.
So how do I figure out which courses to sign up for?
There are several planning tools within the course catalog to help you figure out which classes to sign up for. Shown here is a graduation checklist. If you can check off all the boxes based on your graduating class, you'll be set. Use your planning sheet to determine what classes you need to sign up for next year. For example, if you're a junior, you'll need to sign up for government next year as a senior. You'll see for each different department a list of all the classes offered, what grades are eligible to take the class, as well as information about the course. Pay close attention to make sure that the class you're interested in signing up for is offered at Cascade.
I want to go to college. What should I register for?
In the course catalog, you'll see a page devoted to college admission standards. If you have questions, in addition to your counselor, Ms. Roberts can help.
What if I want to participate in athletics beyond high school?
Information on eligibility for sports beyond high school is included in your course catalog. If you have questions, Mr. Takayoshi, Mr. Stencil, or Ms. Covert can also help you.
Okay, so how do I register?
Your teacher in pause today will have a copy of your transcript. You'll want to review your transcript to see what courses you've taken and passed so far to help guide the registration process. Pre-registration sessions with counselors will be happening between now and spring break. You'll be going with your second hour class to register. On your assigned day to register, you'll meet your counselor in their assigned room. Seniors will remain with their second hour teacher. In the packet today, your teacher received a label with your name, counselor, the date you register, and what room to meet your counselor in for registration. Put this on your course catalog so you don't lose it. Current 8th graders, we'd like to welcome you to Cascade High School. You'll be meeting with counselors and other staff on the 19th or 20th at your middle school to help determine your courses for next year.
Once you've made your course selections, all students will input those choices into Home Access Center. Instructions on how to do this are in your course catalog.
That's it. You did it. Congratulations. You're registered for next year. Don't forget, our registration open house is coming up on Wednesday, March 6th. This event is for incoming and returning students to meet with counselors, teachers, and administrators to help determine what classes you should be signing up for. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget, please ask questions. We're all here to help you, because Bruins are better together.